Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're dealing with the frustrating issue on Facebook where comments only show up when you're online, you're not alone. This problem can really disrupt your social media experience, especially in 2025 when everyone's using the latest features. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through a simple, step-by-step fix that should get things back to normal in no time. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're using the most up-to-date version of the Facebook app or website. Outdated software is often the culprit. Head to your app store if you're on mobile, or check for updates in your browser settings on desktop. Once that's done, restart your device to ensure the changes take effect. Next, let's tweak your Facebook settings. Go to your account settings by clicking on the arrow in the top right corner of Facebook. Navigate to Privacy, and then Activity Log. Look for any settings related to comments or posts that might be restricting visibility. Sometimes, a simple toggle can fix this. Ensure that Who Can See Your Future Posts is set to Public, or your preferred audience. If that doesn't work, try clearing your cache and cookies. On mobile, go to your device settings, find the Apps section, select Facebook, and clear the cache. For browsers, go to Settings and clear browsing data. This refreshes your connection and removes any temporary glitches. Another quick fix is to log out of your Facebook account and log back in. It's amazing how often this resolves connectivity issues. If you're still having problems, switch to a different device or browser to see if it's device-specific. Finally, if none of these steps help, it might be worth checking Facebook's Help Center or reaching out to their support team. They often have the latest troubleshooting guides for 2025 updates. There you have it. That's how you fix the "comments will appear when online" problem on Facebook. Give these steps a try, and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.